Welcome. This is Laura Louise Duffy, the CEO of Global Fund Exchange. We are at the forefront of a dynamic change occurring in worldwide energy. The creation of the Earth, Wind, and Fire Fund was born out of our focus on the symbiotic relationship between people, planet, and profit. All through history, evolution has been the result of overcoming the most difficult physical, economic, and financial challenges. Newer, cleaner, and more efficient solutions proliferate during times of stress and out of absolute necessity. Our current global population increases by 79 million people per year. This, combined with dramatic increased demand from developing countries in energy and water and a 9% current average oil depletion rate, make oil an unsustainable commodity. Regionally, more than 95% of world population growth is occurring in developing countries, especially in Africa and Asia, which are regions that already account for more than 3/4 of the world's current population. The population growth and economic development are driving significant increases in agricultural and industrial demand for water. Agriculture accounts for more than 2/3 of global water use, including as much as 90% in developing countries. Freshwater consumption has doubled since World War II and is expected to rise another 25% by 2030. The World Bank reports that 80 countries now have water shortages that threaten health and economies, while 37% of the world, more than 2.5 billion people, have little or no access to clean water or sanitation. In this context, we cannot expect water conflicts to always be amenably resolved. The growing demand for water-efficient products, infrastructure, and technologies can no longer be ignored. People are in need of cleaner and more abundant water supplies, but they are also the cause of squandering and polluting much of our freshwater resources. Monumental change needs to occur. Likewise, people are causing global warming by burning fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas, and by cutting down forests. Scientists have shown that far more CO2 is being released into the atmosphere than ever before in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change concerns have become a top political priority. Increased international pressure for global action will affect the conventional fossil fuels and the economies that surround them. The world will need to add a whopping 64 million barrels per day of new oil capacity between 2009 and 2030 in order to meet an anticipated demand growing at 1.6% per year. This is the equivalent of adding 6 new Saudi Arabias. It is obvious that as the human race, we need new, efficient, and affordable sources of energy and water to sustain the growth of our nations, the well-being of our people, and the health of our planet.